Conscience I represent to the fullest. Here we go. TRINIDAD Promotion presents the first ever tag team clash in Trinidad. Saturday, November 20th, featuring TRINIDAD and Matsimela versus Sound Trooper and Black Cat. Club ambassador there in Trinidad, massive big up for yourself. Saturday, November 20th, make sure you come out. Island Invasion. Sound boy, you better pray to the Father. Fist a natural at fi carry you go home. It's like a mad.
TRINIDAD Promotions presents the first ever tag team clash in Trinidad. A night called Island Invasion featuring Sound Trooper and Black Cat versus TRINIDAD and Matsimela. Yo, mad thing, you know, man. A club ambassador in Trinidad. Mad thing, the man can represent. Yeah!
Boom, this big pet to the 5-star general. I tell you, big show. The mad class. Thing called tag team. First time ever in a Trinidad. Saying TRINIDAD Promotion present Island Invasion in Trinidad. Featuring Main Pig Panther and the whole Black Cat family alongside Ricky Trooper, the serial killer, alongside TRINIDAD and Matsimela. Big thing, Island Explosion. Mad thing. Trinidad, Saturday, November 20. Saturday, November 20. Trinidad mash up. Big Panther return with the serial killer Ricky Trooper. Tag team on the same side, alongside versus TRINIDAD. Matsimela, I dread boy. No. And the maddest thing that